If you're working with academic or instructional documents, then you may need to add in footnotes onto your document. And to do that is quite easy. So let's say I want to add in footnote for this sentence right here. Then I simply go into Insert and then click on Footnote right here. So Ctrl-Alt-F is the shortcut key for that, just like that. And over here, a footnote is created. So I can simply write in a meaning right here. This is based on research done on 2011 or something like that. So you can just go around and add in things. And I can see that small number 1 is right here. And we immediately know that this footnote is related to this sentence right here. Similarly, I can go over here and then let's say I want to add in a footnote onto this thing right here. So right over here, I want to add in a footnote. So I can simply go over here and then I'm going to go to footnote and based on survey results, something like this. Or I can add in a meaning to the word as well. And over here, you can see that too is there. And that is it. That is how you can add in footnote. And in next page as well, if I want to add in footnote to this one, I can insert it out, I can click on footnote, and there is that. So the number continues out. This point is newly researched or something like that, similar to that. And you can see right here, the footnote number is right here. And that is how you can add in footnotes in your documents inside of Google Docs. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.